This isn't going to be a long video. I'm going to provide you with a problem that one of our viewers ran into, and that was they extended their overhang on the roof without realizing it was going to create headroom problems. But that's not going to happen to you because you're going to be able to use this method to figure out if it's going to create a headroom problem. So the first thing you're going to do will be to cut a rectangular shaped piece of scrap wood that will extend below the fascia board. And this will make a little more sense once I get a little further on here in the video. And then you're going to attach it to the roof rafter. Make sure that it's parallel to the roof rafter. And a good way to do that will be to shove it all the way to the top underneath the roof sheathing. And then you can add an extender board here and make sure that the board is parallel to the bottom or the top of the roof rafter. And then attach it with some screws. And I like to put it right up against the bottom of the fascia board. And of course, it will need to be parallel to the roof rafter. And then you can get your measurements here if you need them from the bottom of the roof rafter or the bottom of the fascia board, since this will be the lowest part of the roof you're going to be hitting your head on if you don't take the time to figure it out before building the project. And of course, once I have this board in position, I will be able to take any measurements I need to figure out if I'm going to have a problem extending the roof overhang. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.